SignComp, one of the world's leaders in sign tensioning systems, came to Western looking for a group of students that can lead and redesign their current sign clip system. Many people are under the conception that all signs are made of wood or metal, but when you suspend a massive sign on the side of buildings or stadiums, fabric must be used to greatly reduce the weight. SignComp's current tensioning clip uses two pieces inside of their aluminum extruded frame to rotate and tension the fabric. This application can be seen worldwide, holding some of the largest and most complicated sign faces. Our team was tasked with creating a new, innovative, and user-friendly clip that can be produced to join the current designs as part of SignComp's product line. Each member is from the Engineering, Design, Manufacturing, and Management Systems department. Through the application of computer-aided design and the engineering design process, many prototypes were created. Each prototype was then put through tests that were created to simulate the stress and strain that would be placed on the clip during its use in the field. This helped show issues with each design and how we could tackle them to create a new innovative design for SignComp. If you want to check out the new design or how we made it, we will be presenting for the department. Hope to see you there.